Good morning. Thank you for calling Green Tech Supplies. This is Anna speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, Anna. Good morning. My name is Ben. I bought a wireless keyboard from your store about a week ago, and I'm having a little problem with it.
I'm sorry to hear that, Ben. Don't worry. I'll do my best to help you fix it. Could you please tell me what's happening with the keyboard?
Sure, it worked perfectly fine the first few days, but now it doesn't seem to connect to my laptop anymore. The light on it blinks, but nothing happens.
I see. That must be frustrating. Let's try a few things together. First, may I ask if you've already changed the batteries?
Yes, I changed them just this morning. The light turns on, so I know it's not the batteries.
Good. And is your laptop's Bluetooth turned on? Sometimes it accidentally gets turned off.
I double-checked that too. Bluetooth is definitely on. I even tried connecting my wireless mouse, and that works fine.
All right, thank you for checking that. Sometimes the keyboard just needs a reset. May I know the model number so I can give you the correct steps?
Sure, it's printed on the bottom. Here it is, GT200.
Great, thank you. Let me quickly look that up in our system. Could you also tell me your order number so I can confirm your purchase?
Yes, it's order number A5432.
Got it. Please hold for a moment while I look it up. Okay, I found your order. It shows you purchased it last Monday. All right, for the GT200 model, you can reset it by pressing and holding the Connect button on the back for 10 seconds. Do you see that small button near the battery slot?
Yes, I see it. Let me try that now. Okay, I'm holding it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 10 seconds. The light is flashing faster now.
Perfect. That means it's in pairing mode. Now, on your laptop, open your Bluetooth settings and click on Add Device. You should see GT200 keyboard appear on the list.
Okay, let me see. Yes, I see it. I'll click on it now. It says pairing, and it's connected. It's actually working now.
That's wonderful, Ben. I'm so glad it worked. Try typing something just to make sure everything responds properly.
It's working perfectly. You just saved my morning. I was getting really frustrated before calling.
I'm happy to hear that. These small connection issues can happen sometimes. The reset usually fixes it. Would you like me to email you the steps so you can have them for future reference?
Oh, that would be great, yes. Please send it to ben.taylor@email.com.
Got it. I'll send that over in just a minute. You'll also receive a link to our online troubleshooting guide in case you ever have similar issues.
Thank you so much. You've been super helpful. By the way, do you know if the keyboard has a warranty?
Yes, the GT200 comes with a 1-year warranty starting from the date of purchase. So, if it stops working completely or develops a defect, we'll replace it for free during that period.
That's good to know. I really like this keyboard. It's comfortable to type on, and it's very light. I just didn't expect it to stop connecting like that.
It happens sometimes, especially with wireless devices. But once you know how to reset them, it's usually an easy fix. Just remember to hold the Connect button for 10 seconds if it ever happens again.
I'll definitely remember that. Honestly, I'm glad I called instead of trying random things myself.
That's what we're here for, Ben. Our goal is to make sure every customer gets the help they need. Do you have any other questions or concerns about your keyboard?
Actually, yes. I noticed there are extra keys on the top, like one for email and one for music. How do those work?
Great question. Those are shortcut keys. Once your keyboard is connected, those buttons should automatically open your default email app or music player. For example, if you press the email key, it should open whichever mail program is set as default on your laptop.
Oh, I see. That's useful. I didn't know that before. I'll try them out later. Thank you for explaining that.
Of course. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. You've answered every question I had.
Wonderful. Before we finish, I just want to let you know that you'll receive a short feedback email after this call. It only takes about 30 seconds to complete, and it really helps us improve our service.
Sure, I'll be happy to fill that out. You deserve a good review, Anna.
That's so kind of you, Ben. I really appreciate it. Thank you for calling Green Tech Supplies. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Anna. Goodbye.